trying to know sincerity and meditate. So, just want to ask, why should we not vote for any one of you? Anyone can answer, you can answer, you can also not.
Reminder, each candidate will answer, will be given 3 minutes.
The one reason why you should not vote for me is because I will tell you right now, you do not vote for me if you do not like my platform, because I will stand firm with my platform. And if you do not like it, then you might as well not vote for me.
Should not also vote for me if you do not believe on our platforms. Kasi as for me, pag ako yung student, dapat iboboto mo yung kandidato dahil dun sa platform niya. At kung hindi mo gusto yung plataforma niya, huwag mo siyang iboboto.
You should not vote for me, not because of only of my platform, but because you don't believe in what I also believe in.
I'm Ruby Enriquez. So, you should not vote for me because I'm a perfectionist. Okay? I'm a perfectionist in a way na gusto ko every little detail ayos. I don't settle for less. Okay? I have high standards for myself, and that's the standard that I want in everything I do. Just like having my passion, just like having something done really great. Parang I don't want to compromise yung quality ng isang bagay dahil lang sa weakness ko. So, yun yung weakness ko, but at the same time, I use that to my advantage. That is, ayokong mag-settle for this. It's always the best na gusto ko ibigay. That's for me.
Yung sa akin, sort of like my running mate, which is Sir Ruby. Ako naman, I have really high expectations sa akin, sa mga taong hinahandle ko. So, I won't settle for less than. So, I'll strive for them to reach my expectations and higher than my expectations.
Thank you for that question.
This question is for the LA representatives, specifically for LA. What is your stand in the lobbying of the USG? So maybe America as well.
I'm pro USG.
Because?
Because USG is a more synthesized version, a more streamlined version of the status quo we have now.
I still have the video.
What? Sorry. The status quo?
Status quo.
I'm pro USG. Kasi for this USG kasi, it will make the work clearer and as in the past, we believe that man is inherently good and yung system dapat yung system yung nagkakaproblema. So, para mas long-term yung goal, hindi lang dapat kung yung ano yung implement, dapat yung structure para mas matagal yung effects niya. That's what.
Okay, so for Santogon, and as a Santogon leader, I believe na hindi panahon para sa USG. Katulad mo sinabi sa debate kanina, I support the other Santogon leaders, other Santogon candidates, that nandun sa implementation yung problema, wala sa structure. Hindi kailangan na in every problem, babaguhin mo lahat. Parang makakita ka lang ng isang maliit na bagay dyan, babaguhin mo yung buo. Kasi we must look dun sa every small detail. Okay, so looking dun sa pagtingin ng USG, ang kailangan natin dun yung proper implementation. Okay, yun yung para sa akin.